Well, here's kind of an interesting piece I picked up. This is a broadcast television, a microwave STL. I think it ran on about 7 gigahertz. It's still got the last little piece of waveguide on here. And it's got the waveguide that goes around there, and big old fan and stuff. And it's got a whole bunch of little microwave bits and pieces in here. This was pulled out of a working system. It's a transmitter and a receiver. I guess it's duplexed or whatever you want to call it, but some interesting looking stuff in there, microwave stuff. I'm thinking, I wonder if I could use any of this for ham purposes, because I've got all of the manuals for this, all the schematics and everything. And also, I've got all the multiplexers and stuff they used to use. These look like some kind of multiplexer. This one's got a phone built into it, so you can call the engineer on the other end. I think they use that to put multiple channels and data and other stuff on the same link. Then you've got these. Yes, I don't remember what. Well, 6.7 megahertz. I think that's part of the that gets multiplexed onto the microwave carrier. And you got a couple more bits and pieces here. There's a fiber optic thing, allegedly, I guess. Fiber optic transmission system. I guess that's part of, well, I'm not sure what that was part of. That might have just gone from one building to another. Or maybe it was from the state EAS. It's a power supply, subcarrier transmitter, and another subcarrier transmitter that I took apart for pieces for other projects. Kind of interesting stuff we got here, though. This was probably, picked this up like 12 years ago, I think. But I'll bet there's probably a way to use this stuff for ham. Other than the fact that it's on 7 gigahertz, I bet you it can be, oh yeah, 7 gigahertz right there. 7 gigawatts! No, gigahertz. 7112.5, there it is. That must be one side of the duplexer or whatever. Must have been a heck of a system when it was together running. Carrier resupply. I don't know what that does. Local oscillator. I know what that does. That might need some help. But I can get those connectors and those cables. Bandpass filter. Whatever this thing is. Something or other. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I can turn the light on. Oh, nope, can't turn the light on. Hold on. Nope, doesn't gotta do it. Shoot. You gotta either have it on when you start, or you don't get no light. Oh, here we go. Amplifier. Oops, hold on. It's at 1.47 gigahertz or something. Not sure. They have to, I don't know, there's a bunch of mixing products they have to go through and a bunch of other stuff they get to make that work. What's this? Oh, phase lock source. Okay. Not sure what it's for, but I do have all the manuals for this. Oh, here we go. Up converter. All right. So that takes a lower frequency and makes it into a higher one, which in this case will take whatever they're shooting into it and puts it up onto the microwave frequency. Oh, there you go. There's the lower frequency. So it is duplexed. It's 6887.5 megahertz. There's tags on here from 1979. I'm thinking that's when they put it into service. All right, AGC detector amplifier, 70 megahertz filter and equalizer. Amplifier, 1470 megahertz. I was right on the first one, I guess. Preamp. A local oscillator down there, so that must be, there must be 2 sets of stuff there. I bet you, let's see. I'm not sure which is which, but either the bottom or the top is the transmit, and the opposite one is the receive. I bet you that's how they got it working. And there's a miscellaneous, looks like a power supply or control or something over here. Why is it blinking? Yeah. Oh, transmitter frame. It even gives you the part number and the options and everything. Oh yeah, here's the back of the control. I can't see it real good because my light sucks. VCO. That's this hair thingy. Well, this whole heck-a-jig. Looks like there's a little tiny waveguide on the top of here. Maybe that's the oscillator for that side, or oscillator for the mixer that brings out a mixing product to do something with. I don't know. I'll have to go look at the manual. I've got every manual for this thing, all the schematics and everything. I'm probably going to tear into it one of these days. I never have time to look at it though. But there it is. Well, see you later.